So you want to learn how to create a stepper in your Flutter application, but you don't know how. Don't worry, the Flutter savior is here.
Stop the cap.
Nah, I'm kidding. I don't know anything Flutter. I'm still beginner. Well, with that out of the way, let's get started. So I have a Flutter project created already. Then I have my emulator running already. As you can see, it's running around. Then I have my file created called home.dat, which is actually returning the text that is in home. And that home is what is being rendered on the screen. So what we want to do is go ahead and skip all this part and move to the stepper part. First, we want to go ahead and do is include the stepper widget. Yes, I know you are shocked as me because I also didn't know Flutter has a stepper widget. Once done, go ahead and include the steps. Then the step will accept a list of steps that we want to include in our stepper. Now, inside our steps, we are going to include our step widget. So our step widget takes in a title, then a content. So we have a title that says text, which is step 1, and we have the content that says content for step 1. So now we can go ahead and include this for step 2 and step 3. Once that is done, go ahead and save. Then you're going to be having this on the screen. You see we have content for step 1. Now, the issue there is that we should go ahead and click on this. Nothing happened actually. So we need to set a state.
No. Wait.
Alright, first we want to do is at the top, let's go ahead and create a new variable called current step, which we have now. Now we go into our stepper widget. Then we're going to place in our current step equals to this current step variable that we created. Now to change our step, we have to use the on step tab that comes with our stepper, which is basically going to accept this that says on step tab value. Then we're going to say the current state should be equals to the value there. Once that is done, go ahead and save. Then you'll notice that when you click on this, you can see we have our step is changing now. Next, let's go ahead and change our colors. Now to do this, in our step, we're going to include our is active. Is active, we're going to tell it. So if the current step is actually equals to 0, then it's going to set our default color, which is color blue. Now go ahead and include it in the next steps. So we are going to do is active equals to 1, and this is going to be is active equals to 2. Basically, this is counting from 0, 1, 2, just like an array. Now if you save it, you're going to go ahead and see the result. So basically, we have step 1 is now blue. So you click on step 2, blue. Step 3 also blue. Click on step 1, is going to be blue. All right, so to go ahead and set this stuff, so we are going to include our on step continue. Then we are going to say if the current step is less than 2, remember we have 0, 1, 2 here. You want to say current step, which is plus. So this is going to actually change our continue button as it is. So now if you go ahead and save that, you're going to be having this. So we click on step 1, you see our continue button has changed. It's now color blue. So the color blue is, remember, is the default color that comes with Flutter. So you can go ahead and change this out actually. All right, so what you want to go ahead and do is go to your main.dat. Then we are going to include our theme. Select the theme data, then we say primary swatch. Give it color.red. So this is going to change our colors.blue, which is by default to colors.red. So we are going to see the button color and the text change. All right, so now if you save, you're going to notice that our text here has changed one, and our button color has also changed. Last thing I want to show you in this stepper. All right, so now we can go ahead and include stepper type. So we are telling our stepper to be horizontal. Now if I should save this and we check it out, you notice that it is horizontal. Now it has an elevation here, so we can go ahead and remove the elevation just like the normal way we do it. We can go ahead and do elevation should be 0. Save this, then you are going to notice we are going to have this. All right, that's all for this stepper tutorial. Please make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.